So I got a notification on my phone that I have to clean my saltwater generator, my chlorinator in my pool. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this right quick, show you how I do it. Just take this and pop this cell out of here. All this is a salt chlorinate generating cell. It's a turbo cell. Chlorinates the pool for you. So all you gotta do is take this out. If you get that notification, or if you get, you know, it's time to clean your cell, all you're gonna use is water and muriatic acid. Oops, is that the wrong way? Yeah, that's the wrong way, man. Wait a minute, no. The right way. It's on there tight. Tight.
Now, when you're dealing with muriatic acid, make sure you wear gloves and safety glasses. You don't want to get this on your skin. It's going to be a bad day. Also, if you're doing it around concrete, anything like that, don't get it on the concrete because it's going to etch it, and then that's going to be a pain in the butt as well. And lastly, if you're building your own pool, I highly suggest you oversize your saltwater generator to make life easier. Oversize your filter and your generator. But if the contractor's doing it for you, you shouldn't have a problem.
Not enough hours in a day, man. Just not enough hours in a day. All right. Doesn't look that bad. Anyway, it's just a stand. Just take this stand. And bring it over here. I'm just gonna set it here. Top of this pump. Just don't want to get a bunch of it on the pump, that's all. You just fill this up with like 3/4 water, then top it off with muriatic acid. Show you. Yeah, so you don't actually need this stand. You can actually put this in a bucket if you want to, but I purchased this stand from Hayward to screw this in. It's a lot easier. I don't want to pull all the zip ties and stuff off the cable. That's why I have it setting on top of my pump. But you just let this stuff set for about 15 minutes, 10 minutes till you see the bubbles kind of stop. But this actually isn't that dirty compared to the old one that I had. I think they might have just sent me a notification based off of time instead of actual production or out of this thing. So your solution should be like 75-25. I just kind of eyeball it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this, fill it up with water. Fill it with water. About right there. Then I'll take the rest, muriatic acid. This is where you don't want to spill, but it doesn't really matter. This is plastic. I got rubber gloves. Okay. And it's gonna start bubbling, smoking. Let that set for about 10 minutes. When it gets done bubbling, simmers down, you go ahead and put your salt generator back in. Just let this set. I mean, it's not that dirty. It might have went off on a timer thing, but it's really not that dirty. I've seen it before where it's really got a lot of calcium. I keep the chemistry pretty good in my pool, so this is my second salt generator I put in here. The first one I put in here was smaller, so the second time I did it, I oversized it. So this is not working as hard, and I can keep the percentage down. So the first one I put in there, I kind of like sized it just to the pool. The second one I put in, I oversized it, so I get more work out of it, and it's less stress on the actual generator. So like I said, I'll let this set about 10-15 minutes, and then clean it out. Reset the timer on my app and the controller, and then we should be good. All right, thanks for watching.